Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy. Okay. Hey, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here again from the Photo Managers Conference 2022. And I'm here with Dionne Merriott. And Dionne is from where in Texas?
In Lubbock, Texas.
In Lubbock, okay.
Lubbock,
and
Texas.
The name of your company?
It's Captured Memories Photo Solutions.
Okay. Lots of photo solutions companies here. And what's something that you've done with a client this past year that was interesting or that they found really helpful?
Well, one thing that I've worked on this past year is with family that has just moved to the area recently. And she had a lot of boxes that she had just packed up from her previous home and just had me come and pick them up out of her garage. And she was like, I don't have any idea what's in all of these, but I just need to go through them and sort through and figure out. I don't have room for them at my new place. And she had downsized quite a bit. And so this was a great opportunity for me to go through and help her decide what things are the most important.
Right. Oh, great. So, and did you find anything interesting, or was it just for her culling it down to what was essential?
Yeah, there was a lot of really interesting things, a lot of historical things about her military career. And this is a lady that is in her 70s. So, military things that are from a woman that age were very interesting. Also, a scrapbook that had handkerchiefs in it.
Okay.
So that was interesting. I'd never seen anything like that before. And a lot of family stories. There was a lot of attempts at creating a family history in there where somebody had made a partial scrapbook and then somebody else had made a partial scrapbook and then somebody else had made a partial scrapbook. And so, it was trying to piece all these things together. And it's still in progress, actually. Yeah. I'm down to kind of the hardest things of that, but that's a project that's still ongoing right now.
Oh, great! So she's using her photos to tell her story, and she's wanting to pass this on to future generations.
She's wanting to, have it where she can enjoy it again.
Yeah.
She couldn't enjoy it when they were all in boxes in various places,
right.
And there wasn't any rhyme or reason to what was in a box.
Right.
It wasn't like certain decade was in this box and this was in another box. It was just
because when you're packing a house up, it's just I having moved. Yes, I totally get that.
Yeah.
So before you move, make sure you're looking and getting things together. So we'll see you next week with another interview from the Photo Managers Conference.